G'day everybody. So today we're working on the beautiful SAAB 93. Now we've got a problem with what I believe is the ABS module. It's giving us a no start situation and some fault codes. So let's see if it'll start today. And it does. That's good. So the fault code it was throwing was a U0212, which is a communication failure on the CAN bus to the CIM module. So you'd think it's the CIM, the column integrated module, which does all the security and communications. But when I get the fault, if I wiggle the connector on the ABS module, the car will start. The other thing I've noticed is the fault usually occurs after the car's hot and has been sitting for about 20 minutes to an hour and has cooled down just a bit, and then it won't start. So what I'm expecting to find is some loose connections or dry joints inside the ABS module. So we'll take it out and see what we find. So here's our engine. And here's the ABS module, this one here. So if I wiggle this connector, give that a good jigger like that, it normally starts. So we're going to start by disconnecting the battery. We'll remove the connectors over here and the connector on the top of the ABS module. Then we'll remove these two bolts down here and get the module out of the way. Now I've got those 4 screws out. Now the module is supposed to just separate from the rest of the brace line here. So this module part is meant to separate from all this sort of valve part right here. So we'll see what happens. Here goes. It's coming. Is separated. Wow, that's incredible. So they're all the solenoids. That's a lot of gear going on in there. All right. Okay, so we've got the module out of the car. What we're going to do is try and take this top cover off. So it looks like it's just got some sort of silicon sealant around there. We should be able to just slice that off and get that top cover off. So let's give it a go. Right, so we've got the lid off. There it is. So what we're going to be looking for is dry joints in these connectors up here, or all these other through hole points. So we'll check them over and see how they look. Okay, so we've resoldered these pins. We'll pop some thermal paste on here and here and slicken the lid back on and let it dry. So I've fixed it all up, put it back in. Installation is reverse of the removal. So moment of truth. Let's see if it starts. Yes. All right, let's go for a test drive. Brakes still work. It's good. All right, test the ABS. Yes, still working. All right, test drive successful. It all still works. Let's see if the codes don't come back. See you next time.